Welcome back to Tracking Nature. Today, we are diving into a plant that's a natural healer, a home protector, and an amazing flavor booster all in one. Imagine having a plant that fights bacteria, keeps mosquitoes away, and gives your tea that perfect hint of citrusy freshness. We are talking about lemongrass. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to grow it, care for it, and use it in ways you never imagined. Let's start with a little backstory. Lemongrass, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus leaf, is native to South and Southeast Asia, particularly India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and the Philippines. In these regions, it's more than just a plant, it's a part of daily life. In India, for example, lemongrass tea is a common remedy for fevers and colds. In Thailand and Vietnam, it's a staple in traditional dishes and even spiritual practices. That's right, in some culture, lemongrass is believed to ward off negative energy and protect home from evil spirits. Have you ever used lemongrass in cooking or for anything other than tea? Let us know in the comments, and if you are new here, do not forget to hit subscribe for more nature and plant content. Now let's get into the health benefits that make lemongrass a true wonder herb. Antibacterial and antifungal powers. Lemongrass has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it useful for fighting off common infections. In fact, lemongrass essential oil is often used in natural remedies to prevent skin infection and even to freshen up household surface. Digestive aid. Ever feel bloated after a big meal? Lemongrass tea can help. Its soothing properties make it excellent for digestion, reducing bloating and easing stomach cramps. Just a warm cup of lemongrass tea can make a big difference. Reduces anxiety. Lemongrass is commonly used in aromatherapy because of its calming effects. Its natural compounds like citral and limonene are known to reduce anxiety and even improve sleep quality. Some fun facts about lemongrass. Lemongrass is more versatile than you might think. Let's explore some interesting use that might surprise you. DIY insect repellent. Mosquitoes hate the smell of lemongrass. Try boiling some lemongrass stalks, let the liquid cool, and then pour it into a spray bottle for an easy, natural insect repellent. Skincare secret. Because of its antibacterial properties, lemongrass oil can be used as a gentle natural toner. Just dilute a few drops with a water or a carrier oil and you have a refreshing toner for acne-prone skin. Always do a patch test before the use. Cleaning aid. Lemongrass is not just for health and beauty, it's also a great cleaner. Lemongrass oil can be added to DIY cleaners to keep surface smelling fresh and free from bacteria. Now let's get into how you can grow your own lemongrass at home. It's easier than you think, whether you have a big garden or just a small balcony. Starting from stalks. The easiest way to grow lemongrass is from stalks, not seeds. Head to your local market, grab a few fresh stalks and place the bottom ends in a glass of water. Within about 2 weeks, you will see roots starting to grow. Planting in soil. Once the roots are about 1 to 2 inches long, you can transfer the stalks to soil. Use well-draining soil mixed with a bit of sand to prevent root rot. Lemongrass loves sunlight, so place it somewhere it can get at least 6 hours of direct light daily. Watering and maintenance. Lemongrass doesn't need a lot of water, but keep the soil slightly moist, especially during hot weather. Overwatering is the biggest enemy, so make sure the pot has drainage holes. Fertilizing. If you want your lemongrass to thrive, feed it with an organic fertilizer every couple of months. Lemongrass is a heavy feeder, especially during the growing season. Do you think you will give growing lemongrass a try? Comment lemongrass if you are feeling excited to start your own little lemongrass garden. Lemongrass is pretty low maintenance, but like any other plants, it has a few seasonal needs and common problems. Here is how to keep it healthy year around. Winter care. If you live in a colder climate, bring your lemongrass indoor during winter. It's a tropical plant, so it can be sensitive to frost. Pest. Lemongrass is generally pest resistant, but if you notice alphaid or spider mites, a simple spray of neem oil can keep them away. Pruning. Regular pruning helps keeps your lemongrass bushy and healthy. Trim dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth. Have any of you had challenges with indoor plants before? Share your experience below. Let's help each other become better plant parents. Did you know lemongrass isn't just for tea? It's used in all kinds of global cuisine. Thai and Vietnamese dishes. In Thai and Vietnamese cuisine, lemongrass is a must-have for soups, curries, and marinades. Its unique flavor adds a fresh and citrusy kick. Indian spices and herbal teas. In India, lemongrass tea is often enjoyed with ginger and cardamom, making it a warming, immune-boosting drink. Middle Eastern perfumes. Lemongrass is also used in some traditional perfumes, especially in Middle Eastern cultures. Its refreshing aroma is perfect for warm climate. Which one of these dishes would you like to try, or do you have your own lemongrass recipe? Let us know. So, there you have it. Lemongrass is more than just a plant. It's a natural healer, a mosquito repellent, a digestive aid, and even a flavor booster. Whether you are using it for tea, natural beauty, or just to add greenery to your home, lemongrass has so much to offer. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Tracking Nature for more deep dives into the world of plants and natural remedies. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video.